I'm the Independent Autistic. On this channel, we empower young adult autistics to independence. I want to talk to you today about two stereotypes of autism that do autism a great disservice. The first stereotype is the Sheldon Cooper Savant stereotype, which raises expectations of all autistics to such a degree that if they are not brilliant, they are claimed not to be autistic. Then there is the other side, people who are level 3 and are completely unable to take care of themselves, which leads to what I call the medical model of autism and the attempt to cure it. Neither of these stereotypes represent the vast majority of autistics. Certainly both of these groups do exist, and they should be given support as needed. However, to think autism is only one of these and not a full spectrum of abilities, capabilities, and support needs is to get the wrong idea about autism. This leads to dangerous stereotyping, which is both insulting and non-affirming to autistics, and leads to the frustrating quote, "You're not autistic, you function too well." Or, "You're not autistic because you're not a savant." Both of these do a disservice to autistics, like me, who fall somewhere in the middle, who at times are good academically, but have support needs and struggles in other areas. Autism is a spectrum. A few of us are savants, some of us need full-time care, and some of us are in the middle. But we are all autistics. Our life experience internally is very similar. Even if some of us don't talk and others are great at math, we will always be autistic, no matter what you say. So please don't say these sorts of insulting things. There is no such thing as a little bit autistic. There are autistics, period. This is the Independent Autistic, reminding you, you were born different to make a difference. Wherever you fall on the autistic spectrum, go make your difference today. Get it done. Please offer the necessary sacrifices to the algorithmic God. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.